Okay, so when the solar panel gets exposed, the motor turns on and it spins around, and that knocks that little marble there and rolls down the ramp, hits the bigger one, and the bigger one rolls and hits the bigger one, and it keeps rolling and hits the biggest one, and that falls into the bucket, and the bucket, it pulls the ball chain down, and then it pulls the shovel up, and the soccer ball gets released into the next shovel. When this shovel gets pushed up, it pushes the broom handle, and the broom rolls down the ramp and hits the ball, and that off its stand, and it falls into the trough, and that goes down and hits this little lever, which knocks the bike gear down, and that rolls and hits this other bike gear. It's attached to the volume knob on the stereo, so when it falls down, it turns the volume knob, and the speaker turns on, which vibrates the balls, and they fall out and roll down this ramp, and they hit this thing, and that hits a ball, which is not there, and it rolls down the fire pit, and it hits the tower, and that allows the pot to fall down, and it releases the golf machine, and that hits the ball into the bucket over there. The golf ball goes down through the bottom in a hole and rolls down the ramp and hits the steel ball. That rolls down this ramp and hits the stopper for the hammer, and it releases the hammer and to cause the bricks to act like dominoes. And because of the double domino effect, the first one knocks down on the lever, which pushes this rod up and releases the flower pot, and that releases the next one, and the next one, and the last one hits the water bottle off the table, and it pulls the string through the pulley and through this other pulley and the next pulley, and allows the bike wheel to get released, and it rolls down here and hits the cushions, which act as dominoes as well. And the cushions at the top, they hit this truck, and that pulls the marker. When it rolls down, it pulls the marker out of the stopper and allows the spring, or the slinky, to get pulled up, which releases Tim on the zip line. Tim goes down the zip line and hits the target, and the target turns on the tap, and the water flows down the trough and into the funnel and down the hose and into the garden.